Hi friends, thank you all so much for stopping by today and welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Alyssa and today I am flipping through this Hello Kitty junk journal that I made out of a bag of noodles. So you can see this was the bag pretty much and that's my cover. So I thought it was the perfect journal cover because it had this clear part already. So I kind of just turned it into a little shaker and it has all the Hello Kitty friends and everything. So there are my little sequins in there. I kind of tried to choose colors that were already on the bag. That's just a fun little element to my journal. I apologize for all the glare, but anyway, that's my little shaker cover. And so I added Hello Kitty and Friends on my cover as well, and then just a few stickers here on the side. And then my spine here, there are two signatures, but my spine is made of fabric. And I actually wrapped the fabric around a piece of a file folder just to give it a little extra sturdiness. And then here is my little tassel slash dangle. There is a lot on here, so I'm gonna start with the little rainbow and pom-pom charm. I just absolutely love this charm. And I got it at Michael's, and I think Leanna from It's a Deal had hauled this. And I was like, oh, that is so cute. I need to grab one. So surprisingly, my Michael's had one as well. And then I also have just some strands here of hearts. And these little heart beads are also for Michael's. And there's just a little tassel here at the end. I had another one. Where did it go? Okay, here it is. This one I didn't put a lot of hearts on. I kind of just put a few down here, and then there's a little blue tassel. And then the rest of my tassel here is just a bunch of different ribbons and trims that I had in my stash. So again, I just tried to pick colors that were already on the noodle bag there. So that is my dangle slash tassel there. And now we can go ahead and flip through this fun journal. So I did try to already use things that I had lying around, and I just really wanted to make it colorful and eclectic. So here we go. You can see here, this was the back of the noodle bag. And in case you don't know some of the little Sanrio characters, I guess you can look at this key here because I don't even know half their names. So anyway, this little page here was actually a perfume bottle packaging. So I used that as my first little page there. And I added this ticket and a rainbow ephemera piece and turned it into a pocket. So I have this little card here that says, hello, hello, like Hello Kitty. And right over on this side, I just put this little scrap paper over top for some extra writing space. I think I was just covering up like the wording on the packaging. So that is that. And then over here, I just have this hot pink paper bag and a Hello Kitty sticker here. So you could journal all on this side or add a photo. And of course, I turned it into a pocket too. So I just have this extra sheet for journaling. And over here, I have a pocket, but this is actually a wall border piece from the Dollar Tree. And they have those in like the classroom section. And I loved the strawberries, of course, and the gingham in the background too. So I turned that into a pocket. And then this is just another little journaling card that I put together. We have some lined paper for journaling. This is another dollar piece decor sheet, also in the classroom section. I just loved this big strawberry cupcake. And then over here, I just have a side pocket with another cute little sticker. And I just have this card here that you could journal on, but I thought it was cute because it's got the frosting and the sprinkles. And yeah, It's very sweet. This is just some paper, like wax paper from the Dollar Tree. Some more writing paper. And then here's Hello Kitty. So this is actually just a plastic sleeve from another packaging. So I turned that into a pocket slash tuck spot. So in there I have just this Hello Kitty card. You could journal on the back. And then same thing over here. I just have another cute little Hello Kitty card. So you can see Hello Kitty there from both sides. And I have a doily here. This is actually, this page here is, what are those called? Like a binder, tab divider. It's like one of these sheets here that you can just stick into a binder, and it has the little tab here on the side. So it's one of these sheets, and that's why it's kind of like see-through, but I really like that effect. So I just washi taped this little sheet on here for some writing. And then I just have some rainbow paper here, or that's not a rainbow, that's a rain cloud. And then over here, I have a tuck spot. So this says, today will be a great day. This here is a popcorn bag, which is actually from the Dollar Tree as well. But I have a little side pocket here with a little card. I thought maybe you could even journal on these lines here or put a photo. And there's some more writing space here. Cute little sticker. And then over here, I have this like little library pocket, and there's a pocket on the side as well. So I have this little card. And inside of this library pocket, I just have another little sort of tuck spot slash journaling card. So I just put this extra little scrap underneath my sticker here. And then over here, I just have a heart doily right in the middle. I've just paper clipped this sticker and this extra scrap sheet here. Same thing on the other side. And then here's my popcorn bag. So in here, this was just part of a packaging, something Hello Kitty themed, but I thought it would be good to use in a junk journal, maybe as a tag or journaling card. And then I also have this little piece from the Dollar Tree, which is like this ice cream sundae. And I just covered up the words on it with this paper, so you could write your own little title. And over here, I've just paper clipped another sticker and a tag. Another sticker over here. Here is that same little sheet. And I just put a strawberry and a peach sticky note over here. There's my doily and my little plastic sleeve here. So I have two more Hello Kitty cards, this one and this one. Got some writing space, the wax paper. Here is an envelope. So I just have a few things in here. This one says, "You are doing great." And this one, I think, yep, that's a tuck spot. So you could put something behind there. And then you could also journal here or whatever you want to do. I have a pocket on the other side with another little journaling card tucked in there. More space for journaling. and on my pink bag as well. And then in this pocket, I have a watermelon, which is also from the Dollar Tree. And then this was another part of a packaging from, it looks like some Hello Kitty playing cards. So I just included that. You could turn it into a tag or a journaling card. And I left all of this blank, and then we're back to this little perfume bottle packaging. So I actually turned this into a little pocket slash tuck spot and added a sticker here as well. And then moving on to the second signature, this is another one of those page dividers, tab dividers for the binders. And I just added this little cherry sticky note. Got a bigger doily here. And then this very shiny purple paper bag. I have another sticky note here and a sticker. And then in my little pocket here, I have You're the Jam from the Dollar Tree. And just another little card to journal on. And then over here, I have another sticky note, but it wasn't really sticking, so I added a piece of washi tape to the top. This is another part of that perfume bottle packaging. So I added a sticker here and turned this into a pocket with a little card in there. And over here, I have a tuck spot. Actually, I have a few tuck spots. The sticker here is a tuck spot. And then this piece here is also a tuck spot. And this was part of like a treat box, which I also got from the Dollar Tree. And here's an envelope. So I just have this very iridescent journaling card. Some more of that wax paper. Writing space. And I have a side pocket over here, and this is another wall border piece from the Dollar Tree. There's my little card in there with the cute sticker. And here's my rainbow paper over here. And some more writing space. I have another little plastic sleeve. So there's my first little Hello Kitty card. And this is the one on the other side. Journaling space. This is a rainbow treat bag from the Dollar Tree. You guessed it. My little Hello Kitty stickers paper clipped there. And I have a journaling card on the other side. Journaling space, some cute stickers, a fun little pink heart doily right in the center. My treat bag again, which I just have some extra little scraps here. This is actually a tuck spot as well. More journaling space. Super cute little sticker down there. There's my plastic sleeve again, and that's my Hello Kitty card there. And this one. Some writing space over here. There's a little side pocket. And then over here, I just added another sticky note and a sticker. And just more of the same stuff. This was the little You're the Jam cut apart or decor piece from the Dollar Tree, but I just cut out the jam jar and now it is a tuck spot. So There's my card there. And then I turned the other one the other way so that you can see it from this side. And there's my little perfume bottle packaging. Again, I turned it into a little tuck spot. Whoops. And then my purple paper bag over here, I've just paper clipped some extra little goodies there to use wherever else in the journal. And then I just washi taped this cute little card here. There's also a scrap paper clipped right behind there. And then there's my doily. And my last little sheet here, I just used this sticker to hold down my little list there for writing. And these are just some more sticky notes and a sticker here on my last page. And then here's my back inside cover. So I kind of just cut along the edge here to create a little pocket in the back. So this piece was from a treat box, again from the Dollar Tree, and I just added some stickers to it. But you could journal on the back, and I think it's super cute, just as a little journaling card. So hopefully you can see where I'm sliding this. I kind of just cut like a little arch there. So we can stick that in, and we've got all of the other little friends here. And that's it for my Hello Kitty junk journal made from noodle bags, at least the cover. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this flip through. I definitely had a lot of fun making this, and I just loved using all the bright colors, and it just made me happy. So if you also enjoyed this flip through, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you all so much again for being here, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs!